Every wheel begins as a single block of high-strength aluminium alloy, which is preheated to the right forging temperature. It then passes through several forging steps. To preform the block. To forge the wheel. And to shape the rim. Forging significantly improves the physical properties of the aluminium because it aligns the grain structure of the metal throughout the wheel. After forging, the wheels are heat-treated at rigidly controlled temperatures to maximize overall mechanical strength. Precision machining ensures that each wheel is perfectly round. This eliminates any run-out in a turning wheel, saving tires and improving steering characteristics.